Hey everybody. When I started this project, I expected to check in and create a video kind of regularly, pretty often actually, as a way of keeping myself accountable and keeping myself on track. That's not really quite how it played out. It's been 2 weeks since I have created the video about this project, and because my mom is in hospice, we talked about this in the last video, my mom is in the dying process. It changed my priorities. You know, what was a front burner thing suddenly got put on the back burner just because, family comes first. Unfortunately, COVID has made it so that being present with a family for this end of life process can't always happen in person, and that's a frustration. So this project has become a place where I can work out some frustration, work out some life. Just work it off. Work on. If I am not feeling great, great. There's nothing better for not feeling very good than getting something tactile done. And this project is so tactile, and there's so much to be done. So basically, this room is a plywood box. Plywood ceiling, plywood walls, plywood floor. One of the first things we did then was to take down the shelves. They were hard to get down too. And then we ripped up the carpet and got that out of here. And then I did a little vacuuming. And then spent some time painting primer and then one coat of white paint on ceiling, walls, floor. And that's made a huge difference. Now I can kind of get a feel for what's working and what isn't working. The walls are probably not as bad as I expected them to be, but I do have some ideas on how I will go ahead and treat them. I'm probably not going to do a full-on feature wall like I did there. I'll handle a little bit differently, but I think it's coming. We're making progress, at least. We're making progress, I'll say it that way. So, yeah. I would love to go out to a big box store and buy stuff for the ceiling and buy hardwood for the floors, but it's just not going to happen right now, and that's fine. So I'm going to choose contentment and work from that place rather than wishing for all the things that I can't afford right now. And that's kind of one of the keys to keeping something like this from making you miserable. And it's also nice that I don't sleep up here. That I can actually close the door on it and go away and just, have it out of sight, out of mind. Which, to be honest, is part of the reason why it got so bad to begin with. Basically, we moved a bunch of stuff on the side where where you've seen me work already, and I think we can begin the process of finishing these walls, getting the little kitchenette. We're going to put the kitchenette from the schoolie in here. It's going to go right over here. And so I'm looking forward to seeing how that kind of plays out, because that was pretty cool. I really loved it in the schoolie, so it's really going to be fun to have it in the room and have it functional. I don't know how long it'll take before we'll actually get it functional, but it'll come. It all just takes time. And just, little details that keep getting us closer and closer to getting it the way I want it. So, yeah. Making progress. It's slow, but it is progress. So, I'm good with that. And I'm using this door right there. This is a long kind of shoebox bowling alley rectangle of a room over a 2-car garage. So that side will become a bedroom with a great big closet. That's what's missing in the little house, is that we've got 2 bedrooms. One is my office and the other one is his office, and we've got the bed in the living room beside the big grand piano. And so we use our house a little bit differently than most folks, but eventually that bedroom will come right up over there, and I'm looking forward to that. I think that'll be great. So yes, progress is slow, as it always is, unless you're watching it on fast forward, and then it's actually just like that. It's magic. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.